This channel. This is Law Matters TV. This is a channel where we bring issues concerning law closer to members of the public, so that law will not be abstract anymore. But however information you get here, you must ensure that whatever issue you have concerning law, you must consult your lawyer to get the best out of life. Now, today we are going to discuss one particular issue that is of interest to members of the public, which is the House of Representatives and the Senate. These are the two organs that make law in Nigeria. Nigeria, by the way, operates what we call bicameral legislation. That is to say, the House of Representatives and the Senate. And these two bodies are known as NANS. Now, their duty is to make law, but they have a way of coordinating or harmonizing their law before sending same to the executive for executive assent. As soon as it is assented to by the president or the governor of the state, and if that's the case, maybe the state is the governor, then the president is at national level. So as soon as it's assented to, it becomes law. But you must know that a bill is different from a law. A bill is a proposed law. It's a proposal and it has not yet matured to become law. It's not yet law. It's after the assent, after it has passed through the process of lawmaking, in terms of the reading of various first reading, second reading, and introduction to the committee, and it is assented to after passing these two processes, it becomes law. But then, until it is assented to, a bill is not a law. Help us to share online. This channel, we hope to be bringing you issues that be of interest to you. So whatever issue you feel that you may like us to discuss on this channel, just let us know through the comment section. I will do justice to you.